Chaku is a Newari delicacy integral to be consumed during the 1st of Magh as a sign of the end of winter. With Maghe Sangranti right around the corner, the industrialists of Tokha have honed in on their chaku making skills. Chaku is a delicacy made of jaggery, sugarcane juice, ghee, and nuts. It is produced in Tokha and is being sold in many places inside and outside the valley. The manufacturing process unfolds in these establishments, where the intense heat and the alluring scent of hot chaku envelop visitors. Vats filled with concentrated jaggery simmer on stoves, transitioning into solid forms that are then cooled in earthen pots.